This is a placement mat printout for EPL. So in Indian cuisine, since we use our hands for eating, the glass has to be placed on the top left corner of the plate. So this is just a template where the child can first practice keeping the plate and the glass in its appropriate place and learn. You can even take this to the dining table and use it as a placemat for the child when the child is eating. Later, the child will know how to place the plate and the glass even without the control chart.